Today, I'm going to show you Google's new AI agent updates that just dropped. This isn't some small tweak. This is massive. It's game changing. It's available right now, and it's going to make a lot of people a lot of money. Google just released AI that actually uses your computer. It clicks buttons. It fills forms. It browses like a human. Plus, they dropped Gemini 2.5 with computer control that beats OpenAI and Anthropic. And the crazy part, you can start using this today. No coding needed, no tech degree required. Just you and these AI agents doing the work. All right, let's dive in. Google just dropped an AI that can actually use your computer. It clicks buttons, it fills forms, it browses the web like a human. This isn't ChatGPT sitting there giving you answers. This is an AI agent that takes action, and it's available right now in preview mode. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can use it. All right, so Google just released something that's going to change everything, and I mean everything. They dropped this thing called Gemini 2.5 computer use, and it's not just another chatbot. This AI can actually control your browser. It can click, it can type, it can scroll, it can navigate websites just like you do. Think about that for a second. An AI that doesn't just give you information, but actually does the work for you. And here's the crazy part. Google released this literally one day after OpenAI's Dev Day. They're going head to head in this AI agent war, and it's getting intense. So what makes this different from every other AI you've heard about? Most AI tools just sit there and answer questions. You ask something and they respond with text. That's it. But this new Google model, it actually interacts with graphical user interfaces. It sees your screen, it understands what's on the page, and it takes action. And the model is called Gemini 2.5 computer use. It's built on top of Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it's specifically designed to interact with GUIs, especially in web browsers. You can access it right now through the Gemini API in Google AI Studio or through Vertex AI. It's in preview mode, which means it's still experimental, but it's ready to test. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Here's how it actually works. Google created something called the computer use tool. This is a new interface in their API. You send it a goal, like go to this website and fill out this form. The AI looks at a screenshot of your browser. It figures out what action to take next. Then it sends back a command. Click here, type this, scroll down. Your browser automation tool executes that command. Then it captures a new screenshot, sends it back to the AI, and the loop continues until the task is done. It's a feedback loop. Prompt plus screenshot goes in, action comes out, action gets executed, new screenshot goes back in, repeat. And it keeps going until the job is finished or something breaks. Now, Google claims this model outperforms the competition. They say it beats OpenAI and Anthropic on multiple web and mobile control benchmarks, and it does it with lower latency. That's a big deal. Lower latency means faster actions. Faster actions mean more tasks done in less time. They're using a platform called BrowserBase to benchmark these models. BrowserBase runs something called Arena, where you can watch different AI agents compete side by side. Google is working directly with BrowserBase to evaluate how well their model performs compared to others. And according to their data, Gemini 2.5 computer use is winning. But let's talk about what this thing can actually do. The model is optimized for browser tasks, not full desktop control. So it's really good at navigating websites, clicking through pages, filling forms, gathering information, but it's not going to manage your file system or control your entire operating system. At least not yet. It's focused on web UI automation. The actions it supports are pretty straightforward. It can click by coordinates or by DOM element. It can double click. It can type text. It can press keyboard keys. It can scroll. It can drag and drop. And developers can even add custom functions if they need something specific. So what can you actually use this for? Here are some real use cases. Automated form filling. Think about how many times you have to log in somewhere or fill out a registration form or submit a survey. This AI can do all that for you. Web navigation and scraping. If you need data from a website that doesn't have an API, this can go get it. UI testing, you can use it to test user flows. Click through your website, make sure everything works. Task automation. Go to this site, click this button, copy this text, send an email, all automated. And if you're into competitive analysis, you can use BrowserBase Arena to compare how different agents perform the same task. It's like a race, but for AI agents. You can literally watch them compete in real time. Now I'm going to be real with you. This is still in preview mode. That means it's experimental. It's going to make mistakes. Sometimes it might click the wrong button. Sometimes it might get stuck on a captcha. Sometimes it might suggest an action that's not safe. Google is very clear about this. Do not use it for critical tasks or sensitive data without supervision, you need to watch it. The underlying tech comes from something called Project Mariner. That's Google's research project exploring how AI agents can browse the web and interact with humans. This isn't just a random feature they threw together. This is the result of serious research and development. And here's something interesting. This release came one day after OpenAI's Dev Day. One day, that's not a coincidence. Google is pushing hard to compete in the agent and automation space. They don't want to be left behind, and they're making bold moves to stay ahead. If you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to get more customers and automate everything with AI. I'll drop the link below. This is where the real magic happens. You'll learn how to use tools like this Gemini computer use model to actually grow your business and make more money. Now, let me show you how you can actually start using this yourself. First, you need access to the Gemini API. You can get that through Google AI Studio or Vertex AI. Then you enable the computer use tool in your generate content config. You point it to the browser environment. That's it. You're ready to go. Google has a reference implementation on GitHub. It's called Google/computer use preview. You can clone that repo right now, run it yourself. See how it works, play around with it. That's the best way to learn. And if you want to see it in action against other models, go check out Browser-Based Arena. You can watch Gemini 2.5 computer use compete against OpenAI and Anthropic models in real time. It's wild. You see them all trying to complete the same task, and you can see which one does it faster and more accurately. Now let's talk about the strengths of this model. First, it's more natural. It interacts through the GUI just like a human would. You don't need APIs. You don't need structured endpoints. It just sees the screen and knows what to do. Second, it's flexible. It can handle any website, even ones that don't have APIs. Third, it uses visual context. It's looking at screenshots. It understands layouts. It sees what you see. Fourth, it's competitive. The benchmarks show it's performing better than the alternatives. And fifth, there's open source reference code. You can actually dig into how it works and build on top of it. But let's be honest about the limitations too. It's still in preview. That means bugs. That means unpredictability. Web pages are complex. There are dynamic elements, pop-ups, modals, login walls, captures. This model can struggle with those. Security and privacy are real concerns. If it's typing passwords or clicking on sensitive data, you need to be careful. The scope is limited to browsers right now. It's not doing full desktop control. Not yet. Anyway, there's also a risk of adversarial attacks. Someone could trick it into doing something malicious, and there's performance overhead. Capturing screenshots and rendering and automating takes more resources than just running a language model. And if you're serious about using AI to grow your business and make more money, you need to join the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, plus you get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description below. Look, this Google computer use model is a game changer. It's not perfect, it's still experimental, but it shows us where things are going. AI agents that take action, that do the work, that save you time and make you money, and it's available right now. So go test it, go build with it, go see what's possible, and let me know in the comments what you think. Julian reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below. I'll see you in the next one. New Google Opal AI update is insane. Google just dropped a massive update that's going to change everything. Opal AI, I just expanded to 15 new countries, and it builds entire apps without you writing a single line of code, zero coding. You just tell it what you want and boom, app built. Plus they added insane debugging features and made it way faster. This update is absolutely crazy, and I need to show you what's happening right now because this is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. So what is Opal? It's from Google Labs. They dropped it in July, but this October expansion is what's making this explode right now. Most people think building apps is hard. You need developers, you need to know code, you need months of work, not anymore. Opal lets you describe what you want in plain English. Then it builds a visual workflow for you. It chains together AI models, it connects tools, it does all the hard stuff automatically. You just tweak it if you need to, and then you share it. That's it. And the crazy part, it's free right now, and now it's available in 16 countries total: Canada, India, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, Singapore, Colombia, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Panama, Honduras, Argentina, Pakistan, and the US. That's huge. Let me tell you what's new in this October update, because this is where things get insane. First, they added advanced debugging. This is massive. You can now run your workflow step by step in the visual editor, or you can test a specific step in the console. Errors show up in real time, right where the problem is. No more guessing, no more wasting hours trying to figure out what broke. You see exactly what went wrong and exactly where. This alone is a game changer. Second, they made it way faster. Before, it could take 5 seconds or more just to create a new app. Now it's almost instant. They rebuilt the core system, made it lightning fast. And here's the crazy part. They added parallel runs. That means if your workflow has multiple steps, they can all run at the same time, not one after another, at the same time. So complex workflows that used to take forever now finish in seconds. This is huge for anyone building serious automation. Third, they kept adding marketing templates, thumbnail generators, content summarizers, quiz builders, all the stuff that normally takes hours to build. And fourth, the AI outputs keep getting better, way smarter, way more polished, less manual, fixes needed. Now, let me break down how this actually works. Opal uses workflow chaining. You're stringing together different AI models and tools. Think of it like building with Lego blocks, Gemini for writing, Imagen for images, Veo for video and audio. You connect them in a sequence. One output feeds into the next input. That's how you build complex apps without code. The way you start is simple. You go to the Opal site, you pick a template, or start from scratch. Let's say you want to build a content summarizer. You type "make me an app" that takes a blog URL and gives me a summary plus key points. Opal takes that, builds a visual workflow, shows you each step. You see it all visually, boxes and arrows, super clear, and you can edit any step. Click on a box, change the prompt, add conditions, connect to different models. You're the director. Opal is just the builder. I want to tell you about something. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's on Skool, link in the description. This is where I share everything I'm doing to build my 7-figure agency with AI. You get access to workflows, templates, case studies, real stuff that's making real money. Now, let me show you what you can actually build with this. First up, content creation. You can build apps that generate blog posts, social media content, email sequences, all automated. Second is marketing automation, thumbnail generators, ad copywriters, landing page builders, quiz makers, all the stuff agencies charge thousands for. Third is data processing, build apps that analyze spreadsheets, extract insights, generate reports. Fourth is prototyping, build a prototype in Opal, test it, show it to investors or customers, get feedback. Here's what I'm seeing people miss. The real opportunity isn't just building apps for yourself, it's building apps for other people. Small businesses need automation, they need AI tools, but they don't know how to build them. This is where you come in, you learn Opal, you build custom mini apps for clients, you charge for it. This is a brand new service category, and there's almost zero competition right now. But here's the thing you need to know. This isn't perfect yet, it's still experimental. Features can break, things can change. The AI outputs aren't always perfect. Graphics can be off. You need to check everything before you ship it to a client. External integrations are limited right now. You can't easily connect to external APIs. It's mostly working with Google's own tools. And there are complexity limits. You can build pretty sophisticated workflows, but there's a ceiling. Opal is for mini apps, simple tools, not full-blown software platforms. But the new debugging features change everything. Before, when something broke, you had to guess. Now you see exactly what's wrong. You can test each step individually, fix it fast, move on. That's huge. And the speed improvements mean you can build and test way faster. That means more apps, more clients, more money. Let me give you some real use cases I've tested. First, I built a blog post outline generator. You input a keyword. Opal searches for top ranking content, analyzes it, generates an outline. Total build time, 20 minutes. Second, I built an email sequence generator for e-commerce. You input product details and target audience. Opal generates a 5-email welcome sequence. Third, I built a social media content calendar tool. You input your niche and posting frequency. Opal generates a month of content ideas. That's something social media managers need constantly. You see where I'm going with this? The opportunities are everywhere. You just need to think about what people need, what problems they have, then build a simple tool that solves it. You don't need to be a genius coder. You just need to understand the problem and know how to use Opal. Here's my process for finding opportunities. First, I look at what services people are paying for on Fiverr or Upwork. Second, I ask myself, Can I automate this with AI? Third, I build a quick prototype in Opal, test it. Fourth, I reach out to people who need that service, show them the tool, get feedback. Fifth, I refine it based on feedback, then I sell it. The key is speed, build it fast, test it fast, sell it fast. And with the new debugging features, you can build even faster. Less time fixing bugs, more time building in new apps, more time making money. That's the game. Here's what I recommend you do today. Go sign up for Opal. If you're in one of the 16 countries, just try it. Build something simple, pick one use case that interests you. Content creation, marketing, data, whatever. Build a prototype tool for that use case. Show it to 5 people who might need it. Get feedback, refine it, and start selling. Don't overthink this. Just start building. Here's another angle. Use Opal to build lead magnets. Create a free tool that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Put it on your website. Collect emails to access it. Now you have a lead generation machine. For example, if you're targeting real estate agents, build a property description generator, free to use, email required. Now you have a list of real estate agents you can sell your main services to. Let me tell you what I'm most excited about. It's not just the tool itself, it's what this represents. We're entering an era where anyone can build AI-powered applications. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to understand problems and know how to use these tools. That's democratization of technology, and it's going to create massive opportunities for regular people. And the fact that Google is expanding this fast, adding features this fast, that tells you they're serious about this, they're investing heavily, more countries are coming, more features are coming. Get in now while competition is low. I want you to understand something. Artificial intelligence is not going to take your job, but someone using AI is going to take your job if you don't adapt. The people who learn these tools, who build with them, who create value with them, those people are going to thrive. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Actually do something with this information. Go to Opal right now. Sign up, build one thing, then show it to someone. That's how you start. And if you want to go deeper, if you want to really scale this, if you want to build a business around AI automation, join my AI Profit Boardroom, link in the description. This is where I share everything, all my workflows, all my templates, all my strategies, real case studies from my 7-figure agency. Inside, you'll learn how to use AI agents to scale your business. You'll get over 1,000 free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts specifically for SEO and content. You'll get a full blueprint for generating thousands of leads for free using AI. You'll also get access to a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies showing exactly how much money people are making with this stuff. And if you're just starting out, join my free AI Money Lab, also link in the description. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools, 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to free workflows and a complete blueprint for lead generation. It's completely free. I just want to help you succeed with AI. All right, let me wrap this up. Google Opal just got insane with this October update. 15 new countries, advanced debugging that shows you exactly what's wrong and where, major speed improvements with parallel runs. You can build AI-powered apps without coding. The opportunities are massive. The tool is free right now. And if you're in one of the 16 countries, you can start today. Don't wait for perfect. Use what's available now, build now, sell now. Go sign up for Opal, build something today, show it to someone tomorrow. Start making money this week. That's how you win. Not by watching videos, by taking action. Google's new Chrome DevTools is insane free. Today, I'm going to show you Google's new Chrome DevTools. This isn't some tiny fix. This is big, it's easy, it's free, and it's wild. AI in your browser, real-time speed tools, all simple, all safe, and guess what? No fancy words, anyone can use it, even if you're 7. All right. Here's why you don't want to miss what's next. Google just put AI right inside Chrome DevTools. That's like having a super smart robot friend fixing your website, your bugs right there in your browser. No more copy pasting to some AI app. No more head banging on your desk. This is crazy. So what's new? Why should you care? Let's press go. Google added Gemini AI right in Chrome. You hit a button. Now AI helps you fix your website. Stuck with a crooked page? Ask Gemini, site running slow. Gemini tells you why, messed up colors, broken menus. Ask Gemini. This is next level. And you get real-time live view of how fast your site loads. No more old school wait and see. It's right there. As you scroll, click and type, Chrome shows how your website works for real people. No guessing. What else? You see how real visitors use your site. Chrome grabs true user data and shows you if your site is just right or if it's slow like a snail. Best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. It's all buttons, colors, simple guides. Hey, If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Now, this is getting even better. You want to really make your site fly? Chrome now tells you what to fix, live while you work. Not days later, not after you lose customers instantly. Plus, Chrome suggests how to make your test super real. Like, you can pretend your site is loading on a bad old phone to see how real people feel, or a slow network, or a tiny screen. It even suggests what to emulate, so it's super easy. And here's the part that's going to blow your mind. When you test things, Chrome now highlights what's slow, where the problems are, which buttons are slow to click, and how to fix it. Click, and it takes you to the exact line of code. Think about this for a second. Before, fixing a slow website meant hiring a dev for hundreds of dollars, or spending hours and hours looking at code you don't understand. Now, you just click a button. Ask Gemini, get the answer, fix it, done. This saves you time. This saves you money. This gets you more customers because your site works fast and smooth. And fast sites rank higher on Google, so you're winning on all sides. Let me tell you what this really means for your business. Every second your site loads slow, you lose money, real money. People click away, they go to your competitor, they forget about you. 1 second of load time can kill your sales by 7%. That's insane. But now you can see exactly where your site is slow. You can fix it in minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. That means more customers, more sales, more money in your pocket. This is the biggest unlock for anyone running a site right now. And it's not just about speed, it's about bugs too. You know, when your site breaks and you have no idea why. That menu that looks perfect on your computer but breaks on phones, that button that won't click, that weird white space that ruins your page, all of that. Gemini helps you spot it and fix it fast. Here's what most people don't get. Your site might look perfect to you, but to your customers, it could be a total mess. Different phones, different browsers, different internet speeds. All of that changes how your site works. And if it works bad for them, you lose the sale. Chrome DevTools now shows you what real people see, not what you see on your fancy computer. Real people with old phones, slow internet, small screens, you get the real picture, and then you fix it before you lose customers. Okay, let's take a breather, but before I give you the next big hack, you have to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's my #1 place to help anyone make money, automate boring stuff, and win with AI. It's all free tips, tools, ideas. Go join now. Seriously, if you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, this is where you need to be. Stop wasting time. Join now. It's free. Let's go. And let's talk speed hacks. Chrome DevTools lets you watch CPU and memory use live. Is your page killing your user's phone battery? Now you'll know. Fix it fast. Because if your site drains their battery, they're not coming back, ever. You can watch how many listeners and scripts you run. More is slow, less is fast, easy. Every extra script you add makes your site slower. Most people don't know this. They add 10 plugins, 20 scripts, then wonder why their site loads like a snail. Now you can see exactly what's slowing you down. Cut the junk, speed up. Color codes help you spot big problems quick. Green is good, red is bad. Even a 5-year-old can spot it. You don't need to read graphs. You don't need to understand code. You just look at the colors. Red means fix it. Green means you're good. That's it. Device mode. Most business owners only test on their own computer. Big mistake. Your customers aren't using your computer. They're on old phones, cheap tablets, slow internet. You need to see what they see. Want to check what your visitors see in Indonesia or on slow internet? One click, boom, you can pretend you're anywhere in the world, on any device, on any internet speed. This is powerful because now you can make sure your site works for everyone, not just people with fast internet and new phones. How about debugging? The console now talks to Gemini. You get plain, simple answers to weird code errors. Before, you'd see some cryptic error message. Something like, undefined is not a function line 847. What does that even mean? Who knows? But now you just ask Gemini. It tells you in plain English. You fix it, done. You don't need to be a code wizard. Just click, ask, solve. That's the new way. No more spending 3 hours on Stack Overflow trying to figure out what's wrong. No more paying a dev $200 to fix a tiny bug. You just ask Gemini, get the answer, move on. Here's the magical part. No fancy words, just talk to Gemini like a friend. The new Chrome Performance tab is easier too. Just open and bam, you see your site score, live, click stuff, see what changes. It's like a video game. You make a change, your score goes up. You add something heavy, your score goes down. Instant feedback. This makes optimization fun and fast. Want to try being a normal user on a bad phone? Slow your computer with a click. See exactly what needs fixing now, not tomorrow. This is huge because you can't fix what you can't see. And most people can't see what their customers see. Now you can. One more super tip. If you're running a big site, Chrome now shows you where your HTML code gets too big, where you have too many elements or too many menus. Huge pages make sites slow. Every extra div, every extra script, every extra image adds weight, and weight equals slow, and slow equals lost customers. Chrome points right to the problem, you fix it fast. It shows you exactly which part of your page is too heavy, you remove it or you optimize it, your site speeds up, your customers are happy, you make more sales. Here's a secret, pros use these new tools to crush their competition and boost their Google ranks. Fixing site speed and bugs is easy now. You can do it in a few minutes. The pros know this, they're already using it, and they're leaving everyone else in the dust. Let me break down why this matters so much. Google ranks fast sites higher, that's a fact. If your site is slow, you rank lower. You get less traffic. Less traffic means less customers means less money. It's simple math. But now you can make your site fast, easy, quick. That means better rankings, more traffic, more customers, more money, and it costs you nothing. Just time, and not even much time. Maybe an hour to fix your whole site. Think about your competition. Are they using this? Or probably not. Most people don't even know these tools exist. So while they're stuck with slow sites, you're zooming ahead, you're ranking higher, you're getting their customers, you're winning. This is your unfair advantage. Use it. And here's another thing. Site speed affects your ads too. If you're running Google ads or Facebook ads and your landing page is slow, you're burning money, people click your ad, your page loads slow, they leave, you paid for that click, you got nothing. That's wasted money. But with a fast site, people click your ad, your page loads instantly. They stay, they read, they buy, same ad spend, more results, more ROI, more profit. It's that simple. So fixing your site speed isn't just about SEO, it's about everything: ads, sales, user experience, brand reputation, all of it. A slow site kills your business, a fast site grows your business. And now you have the tools to make your site fast. For free. There's no excuse anymore. Okay, let's wrap up. If any of this is too much, don't worry. Just ask Gemini in Chrome. It's like having a genius friend you can talk to right in Chrome. Anyone can do this, you, your friend, your grandma. Seriously, if you can click a button, you can use this. Don't forget, join my AI Profit Boardroom. That's where all my secret money-making and time-saving AI tricks live. This is where I share the stuff I don't share anywhere else. The real strategies, the real tools, the real results. We have members making thousands of dollars using AI, automating their businesses, saving hundreds of hours, getting more customers, scaling faster, and you can join for free. No credit card, no catch, just value. Want to unlock even more free AI tools? Here's your next move. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the Free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT EO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, how one member made $10,000 plus with ChatGPT, a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get: free AI community, free AI course, proven AI case studies. This is everything you need to win with AI in 2025.